gamers, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix JBL Charge 5 that won't turn off. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your JBL Charge 5 and you just don't or doesn't turn off, there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing that you could do here is you could just basically let the battery drain. So in this case, usually this might take some time, but once the battery actually fully depleted or is fully depleted, the speaker will turn off on its own. So after it drains, charge it back up and check if the issue resolves itself. So usually this method actually work for most people, but if not, you can actually perform a bottom reset. So if the draining here, you don't want to do that, or in this case doesn't work for you, so what you could do is you want to press a number of buttons. So you want to press and hold the play button as well as the volume up button. Now in this case, you want to hold or keep holding them for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Now release the button and check if the speaker turns off properly. Now, usually this works, but if not, there might be more issues that you might be encountering. Maybe the battery is faulty. So in this case, it's better to consult with a technician for this one. So maybe call JBL support and to get some assistance for this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.